Okay, in this video we are going to solve quadrilaterals and check out how to get the values of angle, the unknown angles. Okay, the diagram shows a guide. Find the size of an angle A. Okay, so you know that this whole angle is equals to 100, and this whole line will be equal to 180, and from this side it will also be equal to 180. So you can simply take out 100 with this, you will get 180. So your this angle, interior angle, will be equal to 80 degrees. And you know that in kite, the opposite, these two angles are equal to each other. So you can say that it will also equal to 121. And this whole, you need to add up these 121, 121 and 80 and then cancel out with 360, because in quadrilateral all four angles make up to the 360 degrees. So what do we need to do? 121, 121, 80, and when you do this all, you will get the value of A. So here are some after figures. We have to find the unknown values of the angles. Let's check out this first one. You know that we have three of the angles, and we are going to know about this DAB angle, the unknown angle. So what do we need to do? Cancel out these all three with 360. We will find out DAB angle. Yeah, that's our part A. Okay, so first, all right, B part. All right, they are telling you that these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, and obviously this angle is opposite to this angle. This also will be equal to 122. You have to cancel these three angles with 360 and take out the value of AZ5. Alright, again you know about three of the angles over here, 1990, 125. Cancel out these three and take out your value of an angle, M and K angle. So over here, they have given you the angle with a variable. So again you have to cancel these all variables angles with 360. Like I am doing this. This 6x plus 12. All right. So this will be equal to 0. You have to move some of the values to the other side of the equal sign and take out the value of x in the procedure. And when you get the value of x, you just need to write it over here, times it with 3, add up in 5, add up in 7, you will get all the ABC angles. Okay, let's check out this one. It's also a quadrilateral involved with a triangle having some parallel lines. Yeah, parallelogram, parallel sides. You know that I need to tell you some of the things. In parallelogram, the opposites angles will be equal to each other, and the alternate angles will also be equal to each other, like this. These two will also equal to each other. So you have to keep these things in mind. And in parallelogram, the corresponding angles will be equal to like this one and this one. Let's say A and B. A and B, when you add up these two together, it will give you the sum of 180 degrees. Alright, so keep this thing in mind and do your question according to this. Alright, ABCD is a parallelogram, CDE is an isosceles triangle, ADF is a straight line, angle BED is 64 degree. Work out the size of CEF, this one. Alright, so we know that the opposite angles are equal to each other like this, 64 degree, and the alternate angle will also be equal to each other, 64 degree. And you know that this triangle is isosceles, so this side and this angle, these two angles will be equal to each other, so this will also be equal to 64 degree. So we know about two of the angles, and we know the whole sum of a triangle. Let's say write it as E equals to 0, and the whole procedure you will take out the value of E. When you add up together, move some of the values on the other side, you will get your answer. So this is the way to solve several questions. A quadrilaterals